Good morning, good evening, welcome everyone. Welcome FOMC day. We're ready guys, how do you feel today? How's your day happening around? Good to see you chat, so many nice people out here already joining on board. Thank you so much guys, we're ready to attack the price action. We're ready to survive today. We're ready to survive today. What do you expect, guys, on a FOMC day? To become a millionaire? Hi, good evening, good day, everyone. Great to see you. Well, it is time to see what we can do. Time to see what we can do. First things first, you gotta take care of your green tea. Right? First things first. We gotta fix the potion. Oh. Daily opening 197. Good day everyone, welcome. Thank you so much guys for joining. Make sure to invite people. Let everyone know about. Share the video. I'm gonna do that on our Discord communities. Make sure you wanna do the same thing, guys. In any Discord community, pretty much everywhere, we're live. And we're sharing $125,000 today on the giveaway. Greetings, welcome. Haha. Well. I guess we have a really good performance. We'll be trading our YRM accounts. Yep. We'll be trading our YRM accounts. We're going to continue trading the Lucid, the Savius. Oh, by the way, oh, look at that. Ho. We just witness what's happening here. Where, in a nutshell, you have a rejection basically from the daily and weekly VWAP, which are very close to each other, just about 10 points difference. So what we had here was a massive conjunction. Look at that, a massive conjunction of rejection force, such as the bears. Weekly VWAP 260s, daily 250s, 200 EMA in the 5-minute 250s, and then the algo line 248, right? So between 260s and 248 we have 4 elements that will mark rejection. Market is delivering on that. It is dumping 50 points. I think it's going to be the day of massive volatility back and forth and sometimes noise. I mean, I'd like you to see the scandal and hopefully it wakes you up. You don't have to be burned. In practice, you have to understand that the chances during FOMC day is decreased of touching your target. So you gotta slow down on sizing, you gotta slow down on trading and accept that. Maybe the prop firms do not want you to do that, but that's for a reason. So look at that candle, guys. We got all this buying pressure stepping in just to be dumping it afterwards. Is that the way it has to be? So you show no acceptance of certain prices just to take the price action back in those levels a few minutes later? What does that mean? How many people got into longs here? Here, which I just encircled right that encircle part, based on the massive buying pressure that stepped in and lack of acceptance for the price action to go down on that long wick. How many people got into longs at that point? You see, that's all about today. That's the way the price action is running on FOMC days. for you guys to learn from lessons that you don't have to feel on your skin, but you cognitively understand. Slow down on your trading today. Slow down. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Well, this is where we're... Make sure to like the video. We got to hit minimum 180 likes today to do the giveaways. Minimum 180. Minimum 180. And another big stuff comes around. Let me just grab, share with you more details with that. Another big stuff. Let me find out more. Here we are, guys. Savius running a massive promotion. Massive. 60% off everything for Savius. 60% off everything. That's insane. It ends quite soon, and the code for this particular promotion is specific. Is not Scramble. You got to be signing up from that link if you don't have an account already. The code is Mayday. You can use that. No problem, guys. You can use that. Savius is different. 60% off. What does it mean 60% off? Well, we got to look into the prices here. Instant funding accounts. Yes, trailing drawdown. The situation with their daily loss limit is very interesting. Daily loss limit is a hard breach. So you do not have to touch your daily loss limit. You have to stop trading prior to that. Yeah, very interesting. You have to use a limit order and stop trading prior to that. We're going to trade Lucid accounts as well, trying to pass some today. I mean, we trying to bring it closer and passing the account. Interesting reaction, guys. Interesting reactions from the daily opening 197. Look at that 5-minute candle we just got. That's crazy. Almost completely back at the starting point. Testing out along from here 7 minis. For the love of the pattern of the continuation, guys. I'm out. $925 profit. There you go. Celebration time. It was an easy trade. 925 bucks profit here. Boom. That was an easy trade, guys. Celebration time. Really easy, right? Fast 925 profit. You never know how this is running around. So you want to take your profits today. Not going to trade this account anymore today. It's in a pretty good condition. Opening my quant tower. We have some evaluations. Good morning, good day, good to see you guys. So trading the YRM. Sending you the links, trading the Lucid. YRM is still running on the massive promotions. Made in New York City. We've been out there with them for a while. Cheapest $50,000 accounts. Around 66 bucks, no activation fee. 50% consistency. Very comfortable. Even the bigger accounts are quite comfortable. Yes. The maximum loss. Correct. The daily loss limit is not changing other than once a day. The daily loss limit is not following you, is not trailing during the day, but the max loss, the maximum drawdown, is what trails. For the Savius. So if you have, for example, on the Tomcat 150,000, maximum loss of 6,000, you also have a daily max loss of 2,000. 2,000 is lower than the 6,000. You shouldn't touch 2,000. It's a hard breach for the daily loss limit. You shouldn't touch 2,000. Your 6,000 is going to follow you during the day, but very likely to touch 6,000 if you already touched 2,000. You shouldn't touch 2,000. Yes. The max loss is bigger than the daily max loss. You can't touch the max loss before you touch the daily. Especially in the beginnings, of course, depends on some specific context. That's a massive V-shaped recovery, guys, we just put together. Look at that. Let me show you the quant tower. Watch out. This is the quant tower. The account is sitting on $290,000. On Lucid Flex, guys. Lucid Flex, $290,000. Unbelievable, right? So happy about it. So happy about it. You can't believe it. This is the account. With all the numbers, Lucid Flex no consistency, and target on the funded stage, allow your winners to produce for you cushion and buffer. Look at that one. Yesterday we closed out on 11 grand. We were down 7,000-8,000 yesterday on each account. Recovered from that and managed to bring $11,000 in profit here. And then the other account has 291, so $1,000 extra. And it is actually this one. This is the 291. I can take out payouts on the cap. YRM is paying 3 to 4 days right now. That's the way it works with their new system, fully updated with the automated. $300,000 by the end of the week. You're calling it right now. Maddie is the first one making the assumption today. Well, let's find it out, Maddie. The problem with that is people will ask me, where did I bought the $300,000 account? No one is going to believe. No one is going to believe. We got it at 150. No one is going to believe that. Good morning, good day, everyone. Look at that. We had a sequence from the 17th to 20th and 21st, 3 days in a row. In the live stage, the live stage of the account is different. Ferramo, the live stage. But other than the live stage, the funded stage, you have $3,000 6 times. That's how much you can cash out. $3,000 6 times. Yeah, I should have it up on Polymarket. Exactly. That's what I'm trying. 5 accounts to be ready for payout. 5 accounts to be ready for payout. I'm taking 15 grand and I can take 6 times 15 grand. Do the math. It's 90,000. That's a good money, right? So Lucid Flex 150,000 is what I'm trading. Lucid Flex 150,000. We had on the 17th, let me do the math there. 12,000 and then 10 and then 16. That's 22 plus 16, 38, 39. Something around that. We were 38, 39 down, and we recovered 36 in the next 2 days. Plus another 10, 46, and plus another 10 here, 56. Our highest loss of the month was on the 8th of April, 36,885. Max cap on a Lucid Flex 150,000 is 6 withdrawals of 3,000 each, but you can have 5 accounts. So it's 15,000 times 6 cycles. Yeah. It's all done on the live stream, guys. Well, today we're trying to pass some evaluations. Thank you so much, guys. We're trying to pass some evaluations and have more funded. What is the max cap on the Lucid Flex? Each account, well, first of all, you can have 5 accounts funded on Lucid, 5 funded. And from each, you can take 6 payouts. It depends on them when it comes down to live. It depends. It's a custom personal approach. Yes, Lucid is the best. Is the best. It's leader, guys. So for 2025 and now coming into 2026, Lucid is leading the prop firm's activity. What are the rules for 50,000 instant funded on Savius? Savius is instant funding account. Your payout target is 5%. And that's the place you can request your payout. If you hit 5%. Congratulations, guys. So you have to hit 5%. Avoid the daily loss limit. Because it's a hard breach. Avoid it on Savius. And go for your... You can do news trading, you can do DCA, you can do all these things. You're allowed to do news trading, you're allowed to DCA. You just don't want to hit the max loss, you just don't want to hit the daily max loss limit. Very important. So it means there is going to be an additional review, Martin. Yes, 5% of your account size. That's your target. There's going to be an additional review, Martin, applied. They have a system which is flagging the accounts that are touching certain criteria. This is the new system. And the whole activity is going to be reviewed right now manually. There are so many cases when the automated system is flagging something and the manual verification is passing the payout without problems. Depends which account are you trading, William. We have 6 days and we have 8 days. We have the challenge is 6 days and the 6 days are 5 days right now, William. And the instant funded is 8 days. We have a pretty consistent downtrending resistance line here, guys, that has been respected so far. I don't know what to see about its future. Six days, yeah. $9.25 here. We're not going to trade this today anymore. I will try to focus on Lucid. We have fresh evaluations of 150,000 flex. Fresh evaluations out there. Not an easy moment out here for sure. Testing out a little short, guys, for a stronger continuation. Let's see what we get. This is an evaluation of 150,000. It's the usual spring weather around the... Most of the time we have between 15 And 18 degrees. I'm trading the... So it's a comfortable weather. Lovely profit so far here. I like it, guys. I'm not getting out of this one yet. I'm putting stop loss break even. We might see something deeper. We might have a fair value gap around the 210. So I'm going to go for that one as a ultimate target. I'm trading the instant funding YRM account. Rocket. The instant funding. Because there's this big promotion there, an additional 10% discount. I'm trading the 150,000 instant funded. Yes, the starter accounts are very, very similar to the Lucid ones when they become funded. Yes. Yeah, gold is dumping. Nasdaq is not really reacting big time for the upside. Yeah. Yeah, we have Nvidia today. I mean, think about, guys. You want to see... I mean, the FOMC is... I saw it today. The expectations are 100% for the rate pause. It's not a big deal. The market is already knowing that for a while. The market is not really conscious about... in a public way, for sure. Insiders might be familiar with, but the market is not really familiar with Powell's statement on the press conference, 2:30 p.m. EST time, a very important timing, and that's a very important element for you to be careful in the price action. I am trailing here above the wick. I am trailing, guys, above the wick. If market wants to reverse back, at least we're going to secure some money. And then we've got Nvidia earnings at the close today, right? That's another heavy thing. Very heavy, I would say. Oh my gosh. Very comfortable weather. Slowly getting into the summer times. Summer times that are 27, 30, 33, 35 degrees in Budapest. It was a pretty good entry here, and I'm looking for that fair value gap to be touched. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, Meta. It is very hot, yes. It is. 34, 35, 36 for 2 months. July, August is like that. July, August fully. And a bunch of tourism. Yeah. Nvidia is usually later, right? We don't have it today. I got confused by Nvidia. 655 secured. It's an evaluation, guys. There is 1 minute, and we're going to have a flat hourly candle. So during the summer, the capital city is crowded. It's extreme level of tourism. We have foreign, a national currency. Perfect. 24 degrees. Oh, lovely. I would say something around 17, 18. If it's not windy, there you go. I like that. Just as I like Nasdaq above 27,000, guys. Even though I don't know about today. Getting pressured here for the downtrend. Daily sunny out there, Orlando. Lovely. Lovely, guys. Surely getting into sell in May and go away time of the year. Not from the trading side, but more likely from the weather. Haha. You see, we're not taking that fair value gap for the moment. Look at that. We just had the flat hourly candle starting around. It's pumping. You want to take Asia lows. 191. London session low. 191. Look at this one, guys. You break out here, you might get stuck around this levels. So I wouldn't trade the breakout for the upside unless we have some external stuff that's not predictable. But from the price action standpoint, if you have a situation of a breakout which has a very close resistance, a major one, coming next to it, next to the breakout, right? It's such a trap for retail. They trade on the breakout and the resistance is 10 points away. So the whole thing reverses, makes it a fake out, and you get trapped at the top. Oh, good job, Edward. Ho ho ho. That's a heavy one. That's a heavy one. Congratulations with that. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We must hit minimum 180 likes. You see, I'm not going to trust the breakout here from the price sections, and this is very risky. I don't even know if we're going to get one. Like, there's no guarantee. Yeah. Made a new high for the oil earlier today. We're trying to speak for the name of the breakout. We just touched daily VWAP. We just touch it. This is the place the resistance should be expected. Should be. We got in shorts here. Oh, you're seeing the different screen. We got in shorts here, guys. We already have $1,000. Oops. That was a T. Getting emotional about it. Ha ha ha. You switch to Quantower by making a new connection on Quantower. You make a new connection on Quantower with a DX feed YRM. You just make a new connection. Lovely profits here, guys. I like it. $10-minute short, look at that. Close to $3,000 profit. Let's see what we can do from this. Maybe a little more. Absolutely lovely in the way it is situated. Come on. I don't want to see that. Good morning, great to see you. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, Volumetrica is pretty good, guys. You also have the daily lockout function. You have a very nice copy trader. I like Volumetrica. I think it's better than TradeC. And there's people with the same feelings and experiences. Come on. This is not looking bad if we dump. We have a decent chance making some money. I want to do 4,500 on this evaluation. $4,500. No, I don't like this candle. Reject. Bring it down. Yes, you can activate. Yes. We have stop loss break even and we're looking for a continuation. Hopefully the market is not deciding to bounce here. That was looking pretty good for a continuation. Now it's different. Unbelievable, guys. Look at that. They're hunting me. What's wrong with them? I gotta be out here. That's it. 750. 750 totally profit. We just made like $100 from this one. It was looking like a great trade, by the way. It was looking like a great trade. Initially, we had a decent rejection here on the 5-minute. Watch out, guys. We're not joking. Look at that. What a lovely rejection and pressure applied by the line. We're daily touched on that VWAP, and we reacted spontaneously. But then this 5-minute candle is a nightmare. I can tell you, as soon as this candle opened, we have some heavy retail shorters based on the candle that just closed. Yeah. Double rejection would be interesting here for the 5-minute. I don't know if we're capable having that. Good morning, welcome everyone. We have a $925 profit here. That's what we traded today, and 750 on Lucid, 150,000 evaluation. Testing out a short from here. for a stronger continuation. Let's see. What are we down to? 20 minutes and the market opens. Lovely. We made money on the YRM, guys. We got in the short, 1,500 profit. Lovely. That's going to be celebrated right there. That's going to be heavily celebrated right there. Boom. Beautiful. And watching out for our Lucid trade. Don't really like this. Not really enjoying that. Yes, so good to see you guys. Good to have you on board. Someone asked me about Quantower for YRM, the racket. The connection is DX feed prop. That's the connection you gotta go. Good to see you. Good to have you. Yeah, here's the green tea. Cheers, everyone. We had to pour a little more, but we had a ton today. We had a ton today. At this point, becomes unstoppable for some reason. So from the OpenAI, they're not meeting the expected revenue, and it's not looking good. None of the AI companies are usually doing that these days. I think, yeah. Yes. But watch out for the fake out. Like I said, this whole level is a rejection place. Breakout of the trend line is not going to secure here a movement for the upside, because we got them boys sitting around. All that resistance are just like the bouncers sitting at the door when you were 14, Jake, and you wanted to go in the club. That's the resistance there. Ha ha ha. Jake, when you were 14 and attacking people, ha ha ha. You got the bouncers, look at that. That's exactly what's happening above the yellow line. You think you crossed the door? It's there, waiting for you. We got in a short here, guys. 2 evaluations. We haven't traded the Lucid yet. Good day, good to see you, buddy. Here's the account. 290. Ha 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 ha. 290. And the other one is 291. Over 30 years ago. Still remembering those times. Oh, the good old times. No, you cannot do that. That's hedging. You can't do that. Both long and short, not even in different prop firms they would allow you. Oh, come on. Release the pressure. Come on. Release the pressure. We're trying to pass evaluations. Watch out for the good shorts. Watch out, guys. Shorts are printing. How much do I need? I need 4,500 here. That's my exit. Nah, I don't like this silly price action. Oh. Oh my gosh, that guy. What was his name? Something with safe. His name was something around safe trading, safe something, like a safe guy not filling up the form yesterday. You guys heard him at the end of the stream crying around why he's not getting his account. He didn't found him on Discord. He probably watched some of the guys, you know, scamming him. On Discord, if you sign up to our server, automatically you have 4 or 5 guys on private reaching out to you. He probably got contacted by those guys. Safe and secure, yeah. He probably got in touch with some of the scammers under my profile, and those guys have sorted him out. Probably requested him like 20, 30 bucks. Or $5, or what do they do? Yeah, you don't fill the form, you're safe if you're not winning. Why would you fill up the form if you don't believe you're winning? There's no reason to fill up the form if you don't believe. Right, so there's a lot of the scammers out there. Make sure you join our Discord, but I never reach out first. Yeah, a lot of them. Just like the Nasdaq. For example, Nasdaq is one of those scammers today. Yeah. First, you send me 5 Bitcoin for me to release 10 Bitcoins. You know that scam, guys? You first send me 1 Bitcoin, and the guy releases 2 Bitcoin in exchange. In a week or something like that. Haha. Yes. The awesome guy from yesterday, he's going to join at the time the giveaways will start. He's not here right now. Why would you be here right now when there is no giveaway? What's the point? There's no value behind this live stream, guys. It's just a giveaway. I don't know why you guys are wasting your time. Can you guys explain him? Or can you guys listen to him? Well, you see the price section is playing dirty games with me. And it's avoiding to deliver those thousands needed. Oh! But you didn't touch my take profit. You didn't touch my take profit. Hey, come back. Oh, yes. We touch it, guys. Here you are. I'ma scare you. I wanted to take this one. I'ma scare Nasdaq. We touch it, guys. And it's not even the opening. There you go. We got the balloon scaring the price action away. Scrambles on fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Look at that. Come on. Oh. And where's the price action? What happened? You don't even see. Look at that. 4,545. There you go. Oh my gosh. 4,500. 4,400 here for 2 accounts. No, I need this balloon because, you know, guys, I'm using this balloon. Look at it. I'm using this balloon to scare the market makers away. And that's how we're making money. If you would be asking me around the strategies I have this kind of strategies of trading. This kind of. And many more similar, unheard of. This one. Kids got it from the doctor yesterday. And here you go. I'm using it in my office. Trump and all companies discussed steps to continue the... Oh. For months. For months. Now that's the reason. Jean Monnet. I'm not touching the balloon yet. Not touching it. As soon as I can still scare the price action and the market makers away. It's good, it's my friend. You leave for a few minutes, we made 9,000, Jake. How dare? We made 9,000. And it's not having a name. I got some toys here, guys, from some donuts from the kits made of wooden. This kind of wood stuff, guys. So if you are hungry, I'll give you this kind of things. You can see it right there. Them lighting is not allowing, right? You want to eat this. You maybe want to have a pink one with a strawberry, right? And then you take this little heart, guys. Look at that. And you put it here. And it stays there. This is what's happening in my office. So market makers are not having mercy for me not being able to focus on the numbers here. Gotta look into the toys and find out what should I trade. Look at that. Come on, guys. Fair enough. Are we reversing from here? Are we reversing from here? I'm along it. You know, we have the 5-minute algo starting soon. But you see, the problem I have, Trump might be typing. You guys want to verify his profile if it says Trump is typing, you know? I want to stay away out of trading when that happens. Well, I mean, look at that. Look at that. I told you, I freaking told you about if we break the yellow line, the trending yellow line, the resistance. as soon as next to the breakout level, next to you, you got meaningful levels of possible rejection, it is very likely you reverse. Do not trade these breakouts that do not have an empty space, no rejection near after the breakout. We had no space here, right? So you need to have 30, 40 points of freedom. You can't be sitting out like this. Because we have a fake out. 12AC, should I send you some Wi-Fi connection on a pigeon? I can have my pigeon connected to Wi-Fi. I can wire it up and I can send you my pigeon with some strength. If he's typing, you got to be out of the market. No, we just have a year. We just have a year. Ha 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 ha. No, he's sad. He's sad. He's not gonna use Starling because he's getting spied by the Americans, and he is Italian, right? Listen up, guys. He's not gonna get that American spying on his trades, he said. He's not gonna get that. He is not looking forward to be spied. 1 year of Nasdaq and 12 years of markets. 12 years of trading markets. 4 minutes to go. 50,000 challenge. Do not use 2 contracts. No. A single contract. Maximum, but do not go 2 contracts. And let me tell you something. If you're trading the New York session, that you can try micros, not minis. So if you get cooked, you get cooked in the micro, not in the minis. Where's the Lucid 300,000 account? Look at that. Oh, we don't have. We gummy bears? That's lovely. That's lovely. Oh, fireworks back and forth. You see, I haven't gotten along here. 3 minutes and the market's open. Do you guys think we go below daily opening with the opening right now? With the New York session? What do you guys think about? You know, it's just 20, 30 points. Like, I guess we have a lot of the stop losses there that desire to be touched. I guess we have some lovely liquidity there. I'm just wondering. I'm not gonna touch anything for the moment because I don't know what to trade. Pumping past 300 wouldn't be bad. Yeah. Oh, this is a heavy opening because we're so close to the daily low, guys. And the question stays around, do we create a new one, just wick below that and then run? Or do we just pump and leave all the limit orders behind? I mean, I'm gonna wait. Wait and see. We're not gonna play Tom and Jerry. We're gonna play hide and seek. Look at that one. Hide and seek. So happy that I brought 2 accounts to 4,500. 50% of the needed for a 6% Lucid 150,000 flex. 6% is needed. That's the target. You know, it's Savius, 60% off on all the accounts, on a 5% your target for the instant funded. I think it sounds pretty good. As I said, there is a different code for Savius right now. It's Mayday. You know, this is going to expire soon, and there you guys will resume it. Savius is different on promotions. I think we had the opening, right? Yeah. Yeah, just a little late, but it's still acceptable. Oh! I'm testing along. I'm testing along. Yeah, maybe too early. Maybe too early. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, it was too early. It was too early. Got it along here on a new one. One Lucid Flex 150,000 is gone. I mean, I got 4 basically. We made 4,500 on 2. Oh, look at that, guys. They're doing a dirty thing here. I'm a DC a little. And I'm, Oh, that was so close hitting the 4,500. Silly Nasdaq playing games with me. Oh, run it. Run it, guys. Run it. Run it. Come on. Don't you dare reversing here. We don't need you to reverse. We loaded up. Why do you give me another chance here? Come on, guys. Just... That was so close. You guys, you're seeing the wrong side of the screen. Rip it. Ha ha ha. Rip it. Yeah. Nah. Come on, we just undercut right now. No, it's not looking good. Another... That was so close. I think we're gonna get busted here. No, we haven't been. Yeah, I'm holding this. We have 30 minis on the opening. Gotta trade my 5 Savius of... Oh... Poor reaction so far. What a week. Look at that. It's reacting. Quantower is lagging a lot, guys. Come on, it's reacting. I'm sending you Wi-Fi on Pigeon. Nah, come on, guys. This is acting so badly here. Lovely. I don't want to lose this. Come on, this evaluation. Give me that 4,500. Yeah, it's gone. 2 evaluations, 4,500. 2 evaluations, gone. %50 today. The big boy accounts here. Yes. No, I got heavily overexposed. To touch my target, 2 evaluations are goodbye. But watch out how we're making money with this trades, and watch out how we are taking the 300K. Chat, listen up. Can we make $300,000 in the account from this trade? Tell me if this trade is gonna bring me to 300K. Tell me. Tell me. Can we get to 300K with this trade? Look at that. Look at that, guys. We only need 4,000 more. Ha ha ha. Stop loss break even. Look at that, guys. We're so close. So close. So close. Oh. They're dumping on me. Stop loss break even. They're so silly. 300K. We also got in along for the YRM here, guys. Watch out. This is having 200K on the account. Stop loss break even. I'm not touching. Come on, pigeon. Do it. Look at that, guys. We're running this candle. This candle, is this the one giving the maybe not this one. Maybe not. Thank you. From 150,000 to 300,000. So close. Oh, there you go. 1,600 exactly. Thank you. That's a good input. I just changed right now. That's a good input. I look at that. I got skipped. I got skipped, luckily. Cabrera, thank you. I totally forgot about it. For some reason, I was already knowing that I touched my target and I have enough. But I don't have enough. I have a minus 17 bucks. I got saved. Come on. Time to load up here. Time to load up, guys. But we gotta touch base and move to Lucid, which might be celebration time soon. I'm gonna move my break even as a little bit higher. I want to do that 250 bucks, you know. That 250, which is what they're requesting me. It's clear retrace to the downside. Should flatten. Yes, sir. Look at that, how clear it is for the downside. Look at that. Go, 300, go. Look at that, how clear this is for the downside. Gotta get out of 5 contracts. I'm out from 5 contracts. Are we sitting on 300? No. Oh. We sold half of it. I'm gonna sell half of it from this one too. Right? Should I be teasing the market makers? We have a great 10 minis entry. They say do not trade the opening. The opening is not predictable. Yesterday, you guys remember yesterday we had 180 points from the opening. We entered the bottom, 10 minis, and they say don't trade the opening. They say don't trade the opening, and I'm trading the bottoms of the openings on 10 minis. Come on, guys. We haven't... I sold 2 minis here. 2 minis from the other account too. I'll be break even right there. I'll be break even right there. 2 more minutes sold here. And the last contracts remains available like this. Yeah, great. It's all good. 299,335. Ha ha ha. 299,335 with 8,295 made. Oh, thank you guys. Take profit. You need a pigeon to take you there. Yes, this is a $150,000 account. 150. Oh, funded stage. Pigeons. 8,295. Do I attack 300,000 today, or we leave it for tomorrow? Oh. I think I'll accept it this way, guys. I think I'm gonna accept it this way. Exactly. We're making money on the YRM, guys. We're making money here. I'm gonna accept that and go for the 300,000 tomorrow. Go for the 3. Look at that, how we escaped the stop loss here, break even. Look at that. That's the place you have to look into. And tell me my balloon is not working. You know, I'm always showing the market makers the balloon like that and scaring them away. It scares them away, guys. You don't believe it, but look at that. I showed them this and I got escaped. Look at that. A single tick. 157 break even. They didn't touch it for no reason. They should have touched it, right? And we're running right now. Where is the pigeon on Discord? Oh, these are the pigeons fight. There you go. And who's in the audience? Who's in the audience? Jake is in the audience, right? Oh. That was a huge one, guys. A huge day out here for the Lucid accounts. 2 accounts touched 50% profit needed. 2 accounts got blown. Not the best ratios, but I'm still happy. We still need 4,500 on that too. And the next days to have them passed. Not gonna copy trade. Not gonna copy trade. But hoping to pass at least one of those 2. And then, you know, even if we only pass one, what does it mean? It means 25%, 1 out of 4. It's not bad. Seems to be working. No payout cap. There you go. 1,645. There's no such a thing. You know, that's a good level. Boom. This account has 47,000, but the idea is that somehow I have to make big money out here. Because our biggest day is like 34 grand. 20% consistency on 34,000, do the math. Like 34 times 5, it's 170. We gotta do 170 grand here on this account. Now that's good. No idea what's going to happen around the markets. Oh my gosh. People having a good time. But watch out. Testing out a new long here. Yes. You might be under some heavy lags. Oh my gosh. That's crazy, man. And you can still see me around 14, 15, 16. I'm growing this since I'm 17. I'm not going to trade anything on FOMC. I traded my evaluations I had for today. It's good. I don't know if people have issues with YRM, dashboard, or deep chart. Ha ha ha. My fun of futures. Well, well. Everything has a cap. Otherwise, I would drive them bankrupt, you see? The proof is in front of you. If you don't have a cap, Scramble is kicking your ass. That's it. Put a cap, and you don't get kicked. So, I mean, prop firms could do. Yeah, but it's also important how you reach in that stage to have no cap. Because if you spend $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 to reach to that stage with crazy rules, then you better trade something that's with cap, and you can qualify for payouts quicker. No real estate. Goodbye for real estate. No Lambos. Yeah. But look at that rejection, guys. Yeah. Yes. So, if prop firms will allow you without caps, then they make sure you don't get to be in that position for most of the time. The link is in the chat. The link is also on our Discord. Prop firm is getting terrified. Watch out. We're running, guys. We're making money here. Trading the YRM. Oh, look at that lovely 5,000. Stop loss break even. Our daily profit target has been hit, 1,600. But this is a big boy account. I want to do today here about 15 to 20 grand. You guys mind it? I don't think so. Alright guys, so we have to start. Scrambos and fire. Who's getting terrified? The props. Gotta do my best. So, 161 likes. We got 15 minutes to reach 185. 185 likes. I've increased the limit. In max 15 minutes. Remember guys, 185 likes in max 15 minutes to do the giveaways. Otherwise, we don't do the giveaways. If you don't want, we don't do it. It's not mandatory. Oh. I don't like Lambos. I like the rolls. I like the rolls. The Phantom. The big one. Phantom. And there was another even bigger one, I think. Was it Phantom? For the big rolls? Or was another one? Like 4 or 5 tones. 4 tones. Not the Bugatti. Too speedy for me. You see, I'm letting my winners run even with the cars. And I'm not stopping. My food is heavy. And I having a hard time with it. So. Let me look after which one. Nah, I don't like Lambos. The Spectre. I think this is the one, the Spectre. Or the Phantom. No, it's not the Cullinan. The Phantom, guys. Phantom. Phantom. Haha. Oh. But I'm not spending money on cars, guys. I'll take everything or anything that's maximum $10,000. Give me a good idea. $10,000. I don't want to spend more than $10,000. You guys want to look after Bezos driving in his Toyota on YouTube a few years ago. He was worth billions on Amazon, and he was giving an interview. He was running around in a 16 years old Toyota. Mad crazy. Look at that. So give me something maximum $10,000. Otherwise, I'm selling it and buying Bitcoin. Oh, look at that one. This is heavy. Do we have a car here? No, this is not good. Look at that. Nah, this is not good. This is not good. This is bad. It's too flashy. And you're not going to see me touch that. I like this P&L here. Something up to 10,000. Buffett is driving a 35 years old car. 35. Anything that's up to 10,000, I'll take it. It has an apex crown. Talking about bouncing. Well, there you go, bouncer. Yeah. A Golf. Yes. Octavia is good. A lot of space, comfort. A lot of space and comfort. You know, I was living in St. Moritz in Switzerland. In St. Moritz. For a short period of time of my life. And if you know about St. Moritz, is billionaires out there. I wasn't, and I'm not. But the idea is, during the business days, they were driving cars 10, 15, 20 grand. Whatever. Simple. Cars, you would not recognize anything. During the weekends, it was different. They were taking out all sorts of different cars, right? During the weekends. But during the business days, during the normal days, when they were out there with the normal people, they don't want it to stand out. They don't want it to stand out. They were driving the cars the majority was affording because they don't want it to stand out. This is the way it was in St. Moritz. Yeah, good job. It's, you know, great Duster. Great. Porsche is good as well. Porsche. We are bumping, guys. I mean, it's not looking bad here. We might ladder up, continue our way, and ladder up, and just do dirty things. We don't have trades running on... we don't have trades running on... how do you call it? On Quantower. Oh, let me switch to Savius for Quantower and trade some Savius. We have 5 accounts of 300,000. Yeah. Good morning. I don't have any cars. My wife is having everything. I don't have anything, guys. I have 0 cars personally. My wife is having, and that's all. I don't need anything. I don't essentially like them that much. I'm not into cars. I never liked them. Yes. A Flintstone one would be very good for me. I could do muscles, so I can slice the ball at tennis. You know? Walk down and slice the ball at tennis. The last game I played was a 2 sets match, 2 hours and 40 minutes. 2 sets, 2 hours and 40 minutes. I returned like a Chinese wall. That's the way I return. Right? So the Flintstone car would help me to make muscles on my legs, pushing around like a duck. 5 accounts on Savius, 5. Now, I use her cars. I don't have a car, but I use her cars. I mean, there's no difference. No. Kids are not going to ask for Lambos. They're not going to like Lambos. I'm going to grow them up like that. Kids don't know we got money. And they're not going to know we got money. We pay education, we pay everything, but, you know, it's not good for kids knowing you got too much money. Yes. Oh my god, who's ringing me here, guys? Why is it ringing me? We're on the live stream. How dirty is this? Alright. So who's getting terrified, guys, today? Who's getting terrified today? We gotta trade. Where's my Savius? DX feed Savius. Here you go. Savius is here. We have 5 accounts of 300,000. You guys remember yesterday was the first day trading. We made 1,600. Remember, Savius is having 60% off. Sorry to hear that. I don't know what to trade here, guys. Maybe we come all the way back to 130s. I'm testing out a short. 5-minute short. Watch out. Watch out. 5 accounts copy trading. Instant funding accounts. Watch out. Yes. Oh, so you want to reverse it as soon as I touch my entry. Oh. That's how dirty you are. Oh. You think I'm new here? I've seen this many times. Ha ha ha. As soon as you touch, it's reversing. I've seen this. So if that's what you want to do with me here on the Savius accounts, I'm stopping trading. Why is the P&L not moving? Oh. That's a lovely candle. Let me buckle up. 10 minutes short, guys. We have DC8 in. Savius payouts are simpler. You have to... It's instant funding accounts. Instant funding accounts. Here's the link, guys. You got to be signed up. You got to create first your account from that link. So it's instant funding account. And you need to touch 5% of the account size. And then you request the payout. 5%. 5%, you can request the payout. Do not touch daily loss limit, which is a hard breach. So you don't want to touch that. You can stop trading earlier. And you make it like a soft breach. If you stop trading earlier, it's going to be like a soft breach. Do not touch maximum loss limit. Do not touch daily loss limit. And that's it. You can do news trading. You can do DCA. You can do all these usual things. Yes, you can do it. I mean, it would be quite organic here to go downwards based on the price section. It would be organic. 60% off right now from 1,000. The price is 1,000 and we have 60% off. I think it's $400 only. Right now it's only $400 for the 300K. I'm putting a stop loss there. We have $12,000. Yeah, lovely. 2,765. This 1 minute, this 31 minute they give me is such a bad. Oh, we escaped here on YRM. We've escaped. We've nicely escaped. Here's the link, guys. You got to use this to sign up, and then from there you can see the accounts. The link is in the chat. All right, guys, so let me see how are we sitting for the giveaway. How are we sitting for the giveaway? Are we sitting good? No, Adam. We're sitting good for the giveaway, guys. Thank you. We're sitting really good for the giveaway. So 2 or 3 minutes we do the giveaway. 2-3 minutes. Payout is in 24 hours. Yeah. Huh. Maybe I would say DRC to scale into 5 accounts if this is what's working for you. And then at some point try to go for the 150,000. But for the moment, I would say to max out the 5 accounts on 50,000 if this is what's been confirmed for you to work. Yeah. I think the 150,000 would be needed to be traded differently, and the change might affect you. So I would stick with 5 accounts as priority on the 50,000 first, and then adjust towards 150, but slowly, one by one. Market is holding around this level. I don't mind then, right? I mean, we made our target here on this account. It's not that bad. Exactly. It's not worth to push. It's not worth to be aggressive when you're changing the accounts. The results could also change of your trading performance. So if you got used to a model, which is right now giving you a ascending performance, then you have to max out that model before you experiment just out of the ascending experience you have. We did not done the giveaways. Giveaways will start very soon. All right, guys, let's start the giveaways. Come on. Resistance line confirming. Let's start the giveaways. 1 minute. I'll be right back. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and we do the giveaways. 2 minutes, I'm right back. Oh, yes. I think I did that. Hopefully, none of them is going to find it out. Yes. That's right, Jonathan. I didn't pay attention to that, but I had a short, I think, on Lucid, and we were having this YRM long for a long time. That's right. Hopefully, they forgive me. What can I say? If they communicate, you know, I would say 99% of the times they are not checking because it's not on the same prop firm. It's not on the same prop firm. But I do know they're watching the live streams. Hopefully they had a break. Hopefully they were having a cigar break right now. I am back in 1 minute, guys. Yeah, different prop firms, different prop firms. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Yes, cognac break. So what's happening with Yannick Zinner playing with a Spanish guy, Rafael? Yannick Zinner, guys. All right, fellas. Oh, time to do the giveaways. Come on. What do I have to do? Yeah. Gotta pull up the numbers. Keep in mind with the FOMC, We need the ducks. We need the whale. 2 p.m. EST time. 2:30 the press conference. Way more important than the rate decision, which is extremely likely to be paused. Extremely likely to be paused. First account. First account. Will be $25,000. Tap on Futures Ignite account. Instant funded. Writing on caps. $25,000 Ignite account. Instant funded from the Tap on Futures. For first account. How do you participate and how you join? Quite simple. Make sure to fill up the form. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. This is absolutely mandatory for you to participate in the giveaways, if you are wondering. 8 a.m. EST time, streaming daily. You will have to guess the number, a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times and multiple numbers. A single number, chill out and relax. So here are the numbers. Between 0 and 5, let me know your best choice. You can start right now. Best of luck, everyone. Between 0 and 5. We had a great day. We made 8,000 on those big accounts. We're like $600-700 away from reaching 300K. But we had a big milestone with 2 fresh 150,000 Lucid Flexes, touching 4,500 halfway through. Because of the 50% consistency, we cannot make more than that. 2 accounts of evaluations have been lost of 150,000 Flex, so that was the price. And then we made money on YRM. Normally, like, you know, 1,500, 1,600 on 2 accounts. That's what we traded. And then we lost on Savius. Something. But we have big accounts on Savius at 300K. Big accounts. And we have a huge max loss of 12,000. Alright guys, you want to stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. Every day you have to fill up the form because every day we have different giveaways. Every day. Right there. No more guesses, it's over. You can watch out. Every day. Every day barbecue. Where's the safe and secure? He's gonna come in when we do the YRM. Probably number 2, Jake. Are you out here with number 2? No issues with Rhythmic, Lucid. No issues. Number 2? Ha ha ha. Unbelievable. And 12AC went for the number 1. I saw you, 12AC. You went for the number 1. You should have copied Jake. The formula is simple. It's when Jake is here, it's always number 2. But I'm gonna go sack race right now. I'm gonna go sack race right now for Jake. I'll do whatever I can. $39, look at that. Jake is there. 41, 30 seconds competition time. Oops, let's just... There you go. Best of luck, guys. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Oh. Look at that. Martin is leading. Martin is... Oh, Martin, you got kicked out. DRC. M5 trader comes in and makes it through. Look at that. Wow. The M5... And it's not even stopping right now. It's not even stopping. What did you eat? What did you eat? M5 trader. Here's the form. Stephen, you're the second Stephen. If M5 trader didn't fill up the form, is your lucky day, Stephen. Even Stephen. Let's find out. M5 trader, did you fill up the form? M5. Yes, I can see your name right there. Congratulations, M5 Trader. Congratulations for having a $25,000 instant funding account from Ignite on Tap 1 Futures. Congratulations. Are you here? We haven't seen your name. We have not seen celebrating. And community is wondering. Great. Continuing, guys. Continuing with the wheel for the second giveaway, which will be 50,000 Lucid Flex. 50,000 Lucid Flex, guys. Congratulations. 50,000 Flex. So watch out for the numbers. Watch out, watch out. We're going to have three numbers. Three numbers. But we're going to have multiple entries. Watch out for the ratios. Multiple entries. Multiple entries. A single number 2, a double 7, and a triple number 8. Single number 2, you can start right now. Best of luck, everyone. Single number 2, double 7, and triple number 8. Single number 2, double 7, triple number 8. We have a formula and a ratio to verify Jake's moral clarity towards number 2. I want to see your moral clarity. Oh. Single number 2, double 7, triple 8. The paddle is working. Yes, the paddle is right there. I can show you the wire of the paddle. It's still here. No one moved it. I can show you that the wire of the paddle is here. You see, guys, I'm not lying. We have a paddle. Look at that. It's all connected. We have a paddle. And there you go. You can stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. We got to shuffle this, and it's running. You're following yesterday's giveaway? Still not bad. If you're not following the one 2 days before, look at that. Could be the number 2, guys. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Oh, look at that, guys. It's number 2. No, I don't believe this, guys. No way. No way. It's broken, guys. Nah. This is totally broken. Oh, look at that. Jake is the first on the list, but we got 34 fellas. Right? So you're not alone here, Jake. You're the first on the list. At a time, look at that. But we got 36 fellas. 12 ACs here as well. Wow. There's no way. You guys will compete for... Let's do the following. 30 seconds, that's right. But the first ranked and the third ranked will go second round. First ranked and the third ranked will go second round. Best of luck, everyone. First and third ranked will go second round. Who's gonna hit the second rank? Tell me. Who's gonna be the second ranked? That's gonna be the big pain. Jake, second. Scramble is leading at a time. Kian Nils, 12 AC leading. Look at that. Oh! 12 AC leading. Look at that. Oh, how dare. How dare you're winning. And who's the third? Alien. Alien is the third. Ha ha ha. Oh no, Badger is on the 10th. I don't know what happened with my sack. I think it has a hole. 12 AC is leading and it's winning. Did you filled up the form or you forgot about it? I think you forgot about it. 12 AC, the pigeon is here. Haha. And then we have Alien. Now, it is Alien is here as well. Confirmed. There you go. Time to see the fight. Alien. We got your name right there. Oh, look at it. 2 players. Who's gonna win? Tell me, guys. Should I have a duck saying no one? No one. Let's do a dirty one. 30 seconds competition. One duck or one guy jumping around says no one. Watch out, guys. This is dirty. It's a new idea. It just came through my mind. Am I so lucky that no one is gonna win? Who's gonna win, guys? This is a new idea I just had. 12 AC speeding up. My no one duck is not winning. 12 AC. Congratulations. Look at that, guys. He's winning a 50,000 Lucid Flex. Unbelievable. He's winning a 50,000 Lucid Flex. Unbelievable. Congratulations, buddy. This is totally rigged. Continuing, guys, for the third. I would spend a little more time here running around this, but we gotta hurry up with a third. Right? We gotta hurry up with a third giveaway. Third is YRM 50,000. Great. Putin and Orban Pedal. And Maloney. Oh, there you go. 50,000 YRM. There you go. So watch out. We are going to have a lot of these numbers. Between 0 and 9. Between 0 and 9. Guess the number. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Between 0 and 9. Let me know your best choice, guys. Between 0 and 9. 50,000 YRM. 275. Look at that. Nasdaq is heading the... What on earth is happening, guys? Are we touching the 300s? For the pigeon. What a great streaming we had today as well. A great one. The pigeon might be winning. But this is a difficult, right? Difficult race. You can stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. You want to stop right there. Yes. 300s for the pigeon. We got the stop right there. I think a few of you have joined late. A few of you. This is the last giveaway for today. $8 a.m. EST time. 8:20 usually. 8:20, 8:15, 8:25 around that time. Could it be the number 7, guys? Or might be that number 5? I think it's the number 5. There you go. Congratulations. There you go. Number 5, congratulations for the winners. If you are guessing between the start and ending command, congratulations. We're going to do another sack race today. 3 sack races. Yes. Well, look at that. Just a few guys. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. We're going to find it out who takes that $50,000 YRM account. That's great. Two right numbers. Someone is going to speed up. Valorant. Oh, there you go, Valorant. Look at that. He said he lost his accounts and he's going to buy some new ones, but he actually won the giveaway. Valorant highlights. Look at that. You made it, buddy. Congratulations. Oh my gosh. There you go. Did you fill up the form? Valorant. Valorant is here. Congratulations. There you go. Congratulations. Good job. What a possibility, right? What a probability, what a possibility of winning out here. Congratulations. Good job. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a lovely day, lovely time. Thank you so much. You enter tomorrow, 8 a.m. EST time. Join us. Accra FX. Join our Discord in the meantime, and you're going to find out more there. Winners, reach out to me on Discord. Drop me a message on Discord. Thank you so much, guys. Later, talk to you. Winners, I'm going to get back to you later today. I have a tennis game coming out soon. And gotta be out there. Thank you once again. Have a lovely day, lovely time. See you on Discord, and I see you tomorrow, 8 a.m.